Hi friends, it's Shanna. Hoping you can hear me with the sound behind me. I traveled just a bit down the road into Warrenton to the Dugout, which you'll see lit up behind me. Black Cat Choir is playing tonight, which I discovered, so thought I'd wander down. And so I'll give you a peek inside before I visit with friends a bit. So let's go inside and get a look. Give you a peek, see what the atmosphere is like here at the Dugout Warrenton. Live music tonight, Saturday. Just wanted to give you a little look. I'm going in for now. Catch you soon, Shanna. Shop Glorious Day here in Warrenton, just south of Round Top. Bye for now.